Hi everyone, I'm Sividjan A. Galamba. Ang topic na to karon is compromitation and effects on watertight integrity. Understanding maritime safety and design principle. Compartmentation. Division of the ship hull into a watertight section using a bulkhead and decks. Enhance damage. Control the survivability during the folding. Naay bulkheads nga decks nga watertight doors para sa defined division ng compartments. Importance of watertight integrity. Prevent water ingresses in critical areas. Maintain buoyancy and stability after damage. Essential for meeting safety regulation, SOLAS o MIO. Magkatabang jud ni kini para di kayo magbaha if ever mag sudden situation like damage sa mga ship, area sa safe sa barko ug safe sa mga crew. Components of compartmentation: watertight bulkheads, vertical barriers dividing components, watertight doors controlling flows and access between components, deck and double bottoms, horizontal separation, often watertight in certain areas, cell and gaskets. Type of bulkheads: transverse bulkheads divide the ship across with longitude bulkheads run onto the length. Collision bulkhead for the most protection. And the last one is after peak bulkhead, off end protection. How compartmentation affect watertight integrity? Limits folding damage area, reducing free surface effect, improving stability and survivability. Delay or prevent sinking. So, kini ang maka-maintain og stabilize bisag after sa damage ug makatabang to delay or maka-prevent og sa pag-unlod sa ship. Compartmentation is vertical to prevent serving watertight integrity. I will design compartment system enhance survival in maritime accident. Continuous improving in design and training is essential.